What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So, what is happening with the overall crypto market today? We have the pump and dump scheme today. We have seen Bitcoin pump up to the resistance level of the bear flag pattern and then suddenly drop back to the previous support. And Ethereum on a critical level. S&P 500 broke out from the white resistance trend line, now back resisting testing the key level support. So let me update you with some of the charts and what should we expect in the coming days. If you have been watching the stream for the past 3 days, all the covers are about the incoming drop and the resistance or the support level. We are now hanging on a very thin ice. So it's about to break. So let's check, or let's see if this is going to hold, or are we going to see a 20% drop in Bitcoin, and altcoin will suffer the most. All right, so let's check what is happening with the overall crypto market. Where's my camera here? 1 minute, guys. Video. Where am I? All right. Window capture. All right, so we have our crypto bubble. Crypto bubble, we have all in red. Only Luna Classic is in green, 2.5%. We have SNX, play to earn. We have HT here, 1.3%. CHZ, negative 4.9%. Mostly today are getting wrecked because of the pump and dump scheme. So if you have seen, I posted my position earlier on Twitter before the announcement from Powell. So that was the perfect long position. Hit the stop loss of Bitcoin. Later I'm going to show you the chart. Hit the top of the bear flag and then suddenly drop back to the support. Right now we are on the support level. Fear and greed index, let's check. What's the now, yesterday we are on extreme fear. This will update in the next 5 hours. So let's check. If I think most probably likely this is going to move back to extreme fear level. And we have our long and short ratio. Wait a minute, because it's still taking time. Let me just refresh the page of CoinGlass. Something wrong with their website? Not working. So let me check first. Where's my phone? Let me check. Looks like their website is not working right now. 1 sec. Let me refresh one more time. I think CoinGlass crashed because of the amount of liquidation. liquidation today. Ethereum. I have my short Ethereum here in let me close this. Let me close also Bitcoin. And I have also my short here. So I'm gonna leave this. And I'm gonna leave this one as well. A lot of liquidation and a lot of gains today. Oh, it's back, guys. So let's check the amount of liquidations here. 1 second, let me check if we have some chat, or if there are still viewers in our stream. 1 sec, let me share this in the VIP, by the way. And YouTube videos. All right, let me find my stream here. Right, it's already shared. We have CoinGlass. Let's check the amount of liquidation, guys. 87% long in the past 4 hours got liquidated, around $103 million in the past 4 hours. $103 million long position has been liquidated. Similar here to in the past 24 hours, 72% long position has been liquidated. $189.95 million long position has been liquidated. Similar to short, almost half, $71.36 million has been liquidated. Welcome to the live stream, Jerome Kilaton. Hello, Dr. Lee. It's time to buy. Not yet, not yet. Wait for the and by the way, before we proceed, guys, let me give you a quick disclaimer. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. All right, so we can proceed now with our we have let me check some of the viewers. We have Andres Jaworski, welcome to the stream. We have Jabber Maboob, welcome. Did you get some printing cash today? We have also ETH chart and next possible price action. I'm gonna show you the update of Ethereum and Bitcoin chart today. Also S&P 500. S&P 500 has been our guide in trading crypto in the past 3 days. So if you have been watching the channel, I'm gonna show you the update today. We have also Mirage SMJ. Hi bro, welcome to the stream. We have also Iqbal Mahamood from Bangladesh. Let me give you a scratch. We have also Operative. Hello, good peeps. How are you, Operative? Hope you are doing fine. Also scratch all of that. And we have TRXZ. Good morning, legend. TRXZ, I joined VIP today. Good luck to us. Good luck to us. Hope that we can have some good trades in the coming days. Let's ride the wave, guys. Let's ride the wave. If you have been following the show, check out Bitcoin's chart right now. Also Ethereum chart. It's on the support level. If that support breaks, we might go down. So check that out. Check that out. I suggest you copy most of our charts. If you are in VIP, the charts are there in Bitcoin channel, Ethereum channel, all the updates. S&P 500 updates are there as well in our private Discord group. We have Shazio Amio. What's up, legend? Welcome to the stream, guys. We have Wong Wong. It's time to party. It's time to buy the dip. Ethereum merge is coming, and that's what we have discussed this yesterday. The long-term holders of Ethereum are slowly sending their ETH back to the exchanges, and there's two reasons for that. It's either they're going to sell, or they're going to place a spoof sell or buy order, all right, to trick the traders. So let's check, guys. Let's check some of the updates, and let's check also the amount of long versus short position right now. Currently, in the 5-minute time frame, market is very confused. Who will not be confused of the move to the 6% move to the upside and another 6% move to the downside? And this is the 5-minute time frame from Bitcoin, guys. The amount of short position right now is around 60%. I still have my positions open here. And let me check one position here. 52%. Should I close this now? Okay, let me close some of my trades first. Here, I already closed. All right, that's good. Let me check first, 1 sec. This one is going to hit the... I think this one is okay. So, let me... Okay. Back here. 12,000. And here we have 11,187. That's okay. That ratio is okay. This is 1 sec. All right. So going back to the stream. We have our long and short position here. 60% are in short position right now in the 5-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, we have 50-50, and in the past 30 minutes we have almost equal, guys, almost equal, 50%. Same with 1 hour, 4-hour time frame. Let's check Ethereum. Also similar, 4-hour time frame, almost equal short and long position. In the past 12 hours, almost equal, guys, almost equal. But in the 5-minute time frame, mostly are in shorts right now. So let's check first some of the news before we proceed with the S&P 500, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, and some of the altcoins, and we'll check if we can do some chart requests. Hawkish Fed comment, or this is very important because this is just announced a few minutes ago, or 55 minutes ago. Bitcoin price gained 3.5. This is also good news. This is also important news here. Why September is shaping up to be potentially ugly month for Bitcoin. September, October, November. All right, we are near to the biggest financial opportunity of our life. If you have been following me on Twitter, I have been posting my buy orders for spot, sell orders for spot. I have been posting my long position sometimes. So let's check this, guys. Let's check this. This is very important. If you are not aware why we have such volatility today, that is because of the Fed announcement. Here, Bitcoin price gained 3.5 as US PCE data supports shrinking. This one and this one as well. So let's check this. 21,800 down to 20. All right, so this is okay. Let's read this one. This is very important. If you don't know why there is such volatility today in the market, that is because of the Fed announcement, guys. So that is because of the Fed announcement. Oh, should I close this? Let me close this one first, or leave it. Close or leave it. I'm just gonna leave it. So going back, let me check. How many watching? I'm not ready for futures trade, but I will learn from. I don't suggest trading futures, guys, especially to the newbies, or if you are new to the market. I don't suggest trading futures. It's highly risky. The risk of getting liquidated is very, very high, especially right now that we have all of these ingredients in the market. We have the looming recession, we have the rate hikes, we have the CPI report coming in the next months, we have the war in Ukraine, we have the China, all of this, we have the China mortgage rates, or problem about mortgage in China. And also we have the oil and gas, we have the war in Ukraine, we have the recession, all of this right now. This affects the market, but overall we could be heading in the biggest financial opportunity of our life. So this could be the biggest financial opportunity next to 2008. So this one could be big, and this is just in my own opinion. I am getting ready. I have now. I'm staying liquid. If you have been following me, I have shared that I have sold my Matic at 0.96. All my Matic in my spot. 90% of my holding is in spot position. So 90% of my portfolio is in spot, and I have sold Matic, all of my Matic at 0.96. I'm planning to buy just in case we go lower or revisit the previous low. And also I have sold my Ethereum at 2000. I have bought Ethereum at sub 1000. I've sold it at 2000. Right now I have posted another tweet that I'm going to reinvest to Ethereum in the coming days and months. Ethereum merge is going to happen September 15, and the whales are planning to sell the news. So watch out. We could see price drop a week ahead before the Ethereum merge, and I think it is going to continue on the date itself and maybe extended few days or a week after the merge. And if you're not familiar, the Ethereum merge is going to move Ethereum from proof of work to proof of stake. But the misconception of the majority in the market, this is not going to decrease the gas fee of Ethereum. Instead, this is going to secure the network and of course increase the amount of transaction and speed of transaction for Ethereum. But overall, to the normal investors or to the retails, you will not feel any of these changes. We have also Maita Martina. Legend, can check BNB please? I'm your VIP. All right, so let's check. Let me add BNB into my list. Remind me later, just in case. Also, we have TRXZ. All right, so let's move on, guys. Let's check this news. Hawkish Fed comments and Bitcoin derivatives data point to further BTC downside. If you have watched the stream yesterday, I have already forecasted, or even the past 3 days, I have forecasted a consolidation or a small pump in between the big candle, and then I'm expecting another huge candle just in case we break major support level. BTC and stock sold off after comment from Federal Reserve re-emphasized the Fed's commitment to lowering high inflation in United States. a $750 pump on August 26th. That's today. BTC from 21,120. Let me show you my position a while ago that I have shared on Twitter. This was before the announcement, guys. Before the announcement, I have already speculated my position here. Entry point at 21,000, small amount 21,183. So this was the news here from 21,000, exactly, almost on the same level, guys. That's my entry point, shared live on Twitter. August 26, 4 p.m. my time. And also I have Ethereum here from 1628 entry price. Later I'm going to show you the chart. So here from 21,120, it pumped directly to $21,870, and my TP for that was around 21,900. I've closed the position, and it hit the resistance trend line of the bear flag pattern in less than 2 hours. However, the movement was completely erased after the comment from the US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell reiterized the bank commitment to contain inflation by tightening the economy. So the result of this to the economy, following Powell's speech, BTC price dropped as low as 20,700, and right now I think it continues to drop even lower. At Jackson Hole, Powell specifically mentioned that the historical caution strongly against prematurely loosening policy. Right after those remarks, the U.S. stock market indexes reached negatively, with S&P 500 dropping 2.2% within an hour. So this was discussed already in the previous stream several times. If S&P 500 drop, most of the crypto will follow. BTC, Ethereum, the rest of the altcoin will follow. So watch out right now. Always check S&P 500, and S&P 500 right now is on the key level support. If that support breaks, we might see a bloody market in the coming days and weeks, guys. On the Bitcoin's chart, the affable Bart candle, a reference to shape of Bart Simpson's head, and descriptor of BTC up and down price action surfaced outside of this unpredictable technical analysis indicator. There are other indicators that point Bitcoin broader neutral to bearish sentiment. I need to point out something here. Bitcoin CME futures see record discount, very bearish sentiment. One must also analyze that Bitcoin option market to exclude externalities specific to the futures instrument. Example, 25% delta skew is a telling sign when market makers and arbitrage desk are overcharging for upside or downside protection. In bear market, option investor give higher odds for the price dump, causing skew indicator rise above 12%. So if this indicator rise above 12%, means that the higher odds for the price to dump. The 30-day delta skew had been ranging near neutral to bearish threshold since August 22, signaling option traders were less inclined to offer downside protection. So means there are less downside protection to the market. So right, guys, so let me update you based on this news. So basically, Jerome Powell said that we need to wait for the next CPI report before they can decide for the further action of the US government, how to hedge against inflation. So That was the news today, and that's the reason why we have such volatility in the market. So let's move on to S&P 500. So here's the chart, guys. This was the chart that I have been pointing out since here. Let me share it with you on Twitter. I have shared this several times on Twitter, S&P 500. So I have posted this chart, my special Fibonacci level for S&P 500. So this was the 38.2 level, and also in confluence with the key level support for S&P 500. Take note of the yellow and orange lines. So if this breaks out to the upside, the target will be this yellow and orange line here, and we have our resistance trend line. And exactly, I have posted this August 14. As early as August 14, I am already forecasting a drop for S&P 500 back to 38.2 level, or around 40,038 level for S&P 500. This means that I am already expecting a drop to Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins. The positions that we're making in the smaller time frame are just quick scalps, like the long position a while ago in Bitcoin. But overall, you should look at the bigger picture. So bigger picture, we have a falling broadening wedge, which is a bullish pattern, and the possibility of breakout to the upside is higher compared to breaking down to the downside. But we need to watch out for the key level support, of S&P 500, because if that breaks out to the downside, we might see further drop for Bitcoin and to the rest of the altcoin, guys. All right. Whew. Let me have some drink first. Let's have some orange juice. And some water. All right. So here's the chart, guys, that I've shared earlier on Twitter. As early as August 14, we're already forecasting a drop. So here, from August 14, see the date here, August 14, we have seen a continuous drop. And in the past 2 days, I've discussed that this could bounce from the key level support, and today we have seen a bounce, break the resistance white line, and the news came out, then this bring the price of S&P 500 back to this key level support. So today and in the coming days will be very crucial, not only for the traditional stock market, but also for the rest of the crypto. If this drop, guys, this is going to be huge. How many percent? So from here, the drop, let's measure this from here to the support, is around 5%. So from this key level support down to the next support here, let me label this one. So down to the next support here is also around 5%. Right? So let me show you later. I will compare this with the Bitcoin's chart. So here, watch out if this is going to break down. The next target will be around 3916, and this key level support here, let me call it key level support, is 4089. So this was the level here, 4038 was the Fibonacci retracement level, 38.2% retracement, right? So if this will hold, we might see a bounce, but if this doesn't hold, then another 5% drop is waiting here for S&P 500. So this one is just hovering right now to this support level, trying to poke it, trying to poke the support. So let's see, this is now poking the bears, guys. So be careful with your trades, protect your asset at all times, always set stop loss, cut loss if you must. So let's proceed with Bitcoin. Let me share this one first, this update to the VIPs. Let me move this percentage, right? Also, let me move this here. Let me share this first very quickly. S&P 500 update as discussed in the stream. All right, so that's S&P 500. Let's proceed with, let me check my YouTube comments here. Have long position from 20,900. Should I close? Let's check Bitcoin right now. We have Damian here watching the show. We have Lancelot Canoy. Welcome to the live stream, daily live stream. Oh my goodness. Again, I'm gonna repeat, guys. If you're going to zoom this out in the daily time frame, bigger picture, if you're going to zoom this out, I think we are forming, in my own opinion, we are right now on its way. Bitcoin's price is on its way to completing this wave 5 pattern here in the daily time frame. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Possible revisit of the previous low up to $16,000 to $14,000, up to this level here. Let me actually check the Fibonacci retracement level. Let me delete first. So what you can see, guys, we have a bear flag pattern here and another bear flag here, smaller flag forming. So let me check. So this actually right now, if we're going to use this as the swing low, swing high here in the daily time frame, Bitcoin right now is similar on a very critical support level, 61.8. This means that we could get a bounce from here, or if we drop lower than 61.8, if daily candle close below 61.8, somewhere in this level, this could be a possible trend reversal. So we have an uptrend here, overall uptrend. This could be a continuation of trend to the downside. So now let's check Fibonacci extension to the downside. 1,000 BTC or $20.5 million right now transferred from Coinbase. There's that. 1000 BTC or 20.5 million US dollar transferred from Coinbase right now to Binance wallet. And also another 1,500 BTC amounting to $30,076 million transferred from a known wallet to Coinbase. Huh. Let's check the Fibonacci extension. So let's use this one here. This to this. So we have 100% target at 17,000. Fibonacci extension with reference to this top, down, bounce. Possible target are these levels here. This will be the golden spot, but this could reach up to 100% here. 100%. 17,379. I should have used other chart because I need to. Right, so I need to use my previous chart. So if you're going to zoom out, we are heading to wave 5, and this could be the possible Fibonacci extension level at around $16,200. This will be the wave 5 target, possible wave 5 target. Let me name it. Possible wave 5 target, and this is in confluence with my possible bottom price for Bitcoin in 2022. So my possible bottom price will be 16 to this. All right, so we have now this target, guys. All right, possible wave 5 target slash possible bottom price. I'm just gonna put the date here just in case. Target all right, so that's complete. That is just my own opinion, and I could be totally wrong, but let's just leave it there, guys. Let's just leave it there. To those who are watching the stream, I'm just gonna leave this possible wave 5 target and possible bottom price target for Bitcoin, and the possible date for that will be around November to December. So I'm sharing it with you. You know what to do. Not a financial advice. Warning. It's not a financial advice. All right. So again, let's go back to Bitcoin's chart. What will be the next possible price action? So Bitcoin right now is trading below this support, guys, and if you have been watching the show for the past week and the past several days, we have already been forecasting this bear flag for a very long time here in this channel. So key level resistance and possible short entry point, this red line here, and right now we are heading to ideal target of this bear flag will be the previous bottom, will be around this area here. This area from $19,000 to $18,900 will be the ideal target for this bear flag pattern, guys. All right, so longer time frame, this will be the target. So if you're trading smaller time frames, you can use like 1 hour or 15-minute time frame, but it depends. If you're doing some swing trades, you need to adjust your position and your margin, because the swings will be higher percentage, and also the stop loss will be higher compared to doing like scalping or just doing some day trading. So if you're doing some swing trade from 25,000 down to 19,000, you need to have different margin size, because your stop loss and the swings here will be bigger. Imagine you have price going down to this level and then bouncing back up by 5%. Also using leverage, this could be very huge percentage move if you're using leverage or futures trading, right? XRP down by 5.41% in the past 24 minutes. Bitcoin bouncing back up a little bit. Glad I've closed one of my short position. Ethereum all right, that's good. So the next possible price action, guys, if you have been watching the show, let me show you the daily time frame. I have already pointed this out. In the previous stream, so let me repeat it one more time. You see this green mark here. This was the discussion in the previous day, guys. All right. So here, I'm expecting Bitcoin to do similar price action. One big red candle here, and also I'm expecting consolidation between this area. And now I'm expecting another big red candle just in case Bitcoin drop below this support. So watch out for the daily candle close. If this daily candle close below this green line here, below this green support, let me check. We have some supports here. We have some support along this way here. So this white line, 20,390 level, we have a small support. This one here will serve as a support for Bitcoin, this white line. So if daily candle closes below this green line, the next possible target will be this support here, this zone support at $19,000. So that's the next possible target for Bitcoin long term. For shorter time frame trades, I'm sharing it in the VIP, and also I'm sharing some of the trades on Twitter and in the Telegram group. All right. So that's for Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin got rejected. Let me show you one of the smaller time frames. Here, this was today. This was shared previously. So here, two of the long position got stop loss was hit today. So I was on long position here a while ago. I was on long position here. The second time around, I was on long position. The first time I was on long position. The first time I was on long position here. All right. So the second pump, I wasn't able to short on top. I was not watching the market. So when it dropped here, I set another long position. I did not check. I just set long position here. Stop loss was hit at 1%. So compared to the long position that I've set here, this was 3.35% or around 300%. So this was the result, guys. Where was the result? So here's the result of my trade a while ago. So 358% entry at 21,183, and for Ethereum 437% entry at 1628. So that's for Ethereum. This was the chart that I was looking at a while ago. So this was the chart, and my second entry stop loss was hit, but that's 1% loss. That's okay. That's part of trading. And another, I've set another long position here. Another 1% stop loss was hit. And right now, I still have one of my short position at around this area, 20,800. for Bitcoin. So my stop loss is just above, a little bit above here. So let's check, because right now, if you're going to check the daily time frame, Bitcoin is just hovering here below this support. So I have a short position at 20,800 before it break down here, recessive support. I have entered a short position. My stop loss is just a little bit above 1%, 2%. So a little bit above this blue line. 1.38% at 21,000. Exactly 21,000. So you can make it a little bit 21,050 or 21,010. Just don't make it a whole number, because sometimes whole number is also a psychological number that could trigger a stop hunt. So adjust it a little bit, make it an odd number like 21,100, 21,050 or 21,125. I have my short position right now at 20,800, stop loss 1%, 21,800. So that's around 1.2% at 21,050 something. All right, so that's for Bitcoin, guys. Let's move on to Ethereum. Oh, so for Ethereum, similar. Let me play you one BitGet ad. Reason why you should open an account in BitGet. BitGet new and improved 2.0 platform, seamless user experience, responsive and optimized design for all digital devices. Open, close, set TP and stop loss using the drag and drop feature. BGB BitGet native token. Use it as trading fee discounts, launchpad privilege, Groupon, super airdrops, money tree privilege, and BGB earn. Deposit, hold, earn up to 6% annual percentage yield. Buy crypto with credit cards, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, using the most trusted payment infrastructure in the world of crypto. BitGet received regulatory licenses in Australia, Canada, and in the US. So what are you waiting for? Download BitGet. The link is in the description down below. Welcome back guys. I just had my water. It's my throat is getting dried up talking here. So going back to Ethereum, as discussed in the previous stream again. Ethereum here. So this was the Fibonacci retracement level. So based on the Fibonacci retracement level rule, if the price breaks below 78.6, that could be a possible trend reversal. So we have a bear flag, like a bear flag pattern here, or a rising wedge. And here, this was the long entry point that I've shared a while ago in the VIP. And if you're going to check the lower time frame, guys, this level, we got a perfect bounce a while ago for Ethereum. So this was my entry point here. This tweet, this was my entry point a while ago, 16,000 or 1,628. This was the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and we have our target here, the white lines. TP1 and TP2 was hit. This is also in confluence with the top of the wedge here, which serves as a resistance for Ethereum. And after the news, after the statement from Powell, we have seen the price drop down to 78.6% level. And this was the signal that we could be heading further to the downside. So from the uptrend, this could signal a trend reversal here. So I'm gonna enter short position just in case we break major support level here. This one right now could be a good short position entry, because if this 1 hour or 4 hour daily or 4 hour or daily candle close below 78.6, and also this is a bearish engulfing candle here, very big red candle with smaller candles on the left side here. This is a bearish engulfing candle, so I'm gonna start entering short position just in case Ethereum daily candle closes below 78.6%. Whew, very tiring to talk. I'm trading right now. One sec. So that's for Ethereum, guys. Watch out for the daily candle close below 78.6. So let me actually open Discord so I can share with you some of the trades here similar. This trades was actually shared in our Discord group. Very slow, right? So looking at the daily time frame, again, my chat here is not showing. We still have Manash Barman. Bro, Binance coin analysis, please. Let's check BNB after Ethereum. BNB, by the way, is one of my long-term favorite coin, because they have a burning mechanism. BNB have a burning mechanism which decreases the total circulation supply of BNB. So means that the lesser the supply, the higher the price will go. It's like the law of supply and demand. The lesser the supply, the higher the price of such commodity will be. So we have also here Jabber Maboob. Does S&P 500 just broke down? It did. Let's check. Oh, it spoke out. Oh my goodness. S&P 500 trying to break. Jabber Maboob is watching the show. Thanks for informing me. Watch out for the daily candle close of S&P 500. Daily candle close below the key level support. We could be heading. We also have a gap here. Guys. So if this daily candle close below, we could be heading further to the downside. We could get a short squeeze, small pump, but eventually this will head to the downside, guys. All right. Good night, Jabber Maboob. Sweet dreams. Where's my cricket? I don't have cricket. I need to add. Let me give you a cricket sound, because you're about to go to sleep right now. Good night, Jabber. Thanks for joining me, man. You have a good night, and trade safely always. All right, so let's proceed with the request of Manash Barman before we end the show. I am already live by 57 minutes. So let's proceed with BNB. Watch out for this. My goodness, this is going to be very exciting. So watch out for this. Let me share this. So we have some foods being shared in the VIP right now. Dropping This is a good one here. Bruh. Let me share this actually on my Twitter account. From thanks for joining me, Wong Wong. It's 11 p.m. my time. So let me share this, guys. Let me share this first on Twitter. This part of TA as well. Oh, where is that? This is from the VIP. Copy. I cannot share it. One more. Or let me the merge. Dropping September 15 to 16. All right, so let's check BNB, guys. Let's check BNB. This is the chart request from Manash. Binance Coin BNB. We have our resistance here at 334, and we have our overall support here. Support. Our trend line is actually exactly right now on support. Let me place one quick long, risky long for BNB. Uh, 75. Let me make it isolated position. Quick long. All right. Where did it go? Let me add here. All right. So quickie long. 283. One sec. 269. So let me check how many percent. Let me check the stop loss here at around 270, 272. All right, so here for BNB, guys, while we're doing the trade and live stream, so we have our resistance at this point here. BNB resistance at 334, and right now we have our support trend line here as well. Support trend line. Let's check the Fibonacci retracement level based on looks like a cup and handle, inverse cup and handle pattern. So this is a bearish pattern, guys. We have our neckline here. Let me remove this one first. All right, let me just change the font size. So possible neckline, this level. Right, we have a neckline, and we have our cup. We have our cup. We have our handle here. Target will be 247. So watch out for this one, guys. We could get a bounce, small bounce. We have also a support trend line. Let me just point this out. So if you want to enter small risk, two possible plays here. Let's check some confluences. So 1, 2, 3. This is a valid support trend line here. A valid support trend line for BNB. Right now it's in support. Let me just set my stop loss 277. This is a very risky entry. So 277, and so right, that's okay. So 277, and if you're going to check the daily time frame, this is forming a cup and handle pattern. Cup and handle pattern is a bearish pattern. We have our resistance here, which is exactly around the 50% level of the cup, and the target of this will be the center here up to the neckline to get the possible drop target. So the target ideally will be this point here. Target for cup and handle pattern. So that's the target. That's the target. If this is going to drop below the support trend line and below the neckline, the target will be $220 for BNB. That's the daily time frame, guys. All right. So possible short upon breakout confirmation. This one here. So I think that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna share this charts in the VIP, and I think I'm gonna share this one on Twitter just for reference. So thanks for joining me. We have Wong, we have Malita. This is for you, BNB chart. Thanks, guys, for joining me today. Trade safely, protect your assets at all times. Watch out for the critical levels and support in the coming days. Trade safely, protect your assets at all times. Hit that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.